You can do it. Go, Sammy, go. Yay!
Good job, dude. It's like, what is that all about?
Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay? Samson will be 4 months old tomorrow. Go, Sammy, go. Go, baby. Yeah, you can do it. Go. You can do it. Can you roll over? Oh, you're almost there. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, use that head for momentum.
That is a big old head too, look at that thing. Now he's just stuck, his giant head breaking his shoulder.
Good boy.
Good. Just a head bonk, wasn't it? Hi.